What is going on, you guys? We are back with another video, little different video today. Got a new microphone, so we're going to be trying that out. But I am fishing a local park, pond, whatever you want to call it. Trying to get away from the lake a little bit. I don't have that much time to fish today, but still want to create a little video for you guys. Here's the pond. I fished it a couple times and got a pretty good channel out of here, and there's some largemouth bass and some trout, so let's get some lines in the water and we'll see how it goes. Today we're going to be fishing with some corn, some regular good old kernel corn. We'll get some on the, I also got a pack of hot dogs as well. So let's get it on the hook and, whoops, didn't mean to hit you guys. And we'll see how it goes. I'm just rocking the basic little Carolina rig. See how it goes. On a 1/0 Gamakatsu hook. These things are so sharp, I love them. Just put all the corn along the hook. Give one out there for free for them. A little tax. Alright. Got the corn on it. Let's toss it out there. See what we can do. Alright, I got some lines in the water. Let's see what happens. Let's go. We're on, boys. Finally. Let's go. We got one. Let's go, baby. I have no idea what it is yet. Hopefully we can land them. Good little cat, I think. Yeah, good channel, good channel, good channel. Good channel for sure. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. We landed one. Got our first little channel. All right. Let's go. Like 2 pounds. Let's go. That's a nice one. Hell yeah. Oh, strong little fella. All right. Let's get a release on him. Thanks, bud. We just got a huge takedown. I was checking the other bait on the other rod. We got a huge takedown. We're on again. This man took that one. This is a better fish. Got the camera guy, or the ice cream guy going. This guy's fighting. Look at that. Just peel and drag. We got another one. They're starting to bite now. Been out here for like 2 hours. Are we good? Trying to see what it is. It's not showing its face yet. It took my rod straight down though. It's a better fight for sure. Ooh. It's a great fight. I haven't even seen the fish yet. I see it. It's fighting like a grass carp. It's going over here now. Nope, it's another channel cat. This one's fighting good though. There's another one, like the same size as the other one pretty much, but healthy channel fish for sure. Hell yeah. Let's go. Good channel. All right, let's get a release on them. Good fish, good fish. All right, let's go, baby. All right, guys, well, I'm out of time. Well, we got two fish. We got two. And it was great to actually catch something this trip, and just always nice getting outside and making some content and fishing for you guys. So I'll catch you on the next one. I'll probably head to Bartlett Lake next weekend, and we'll see if we can hook on some flats there. But I had a great time hooking on a couple channel cats here and getting outdoors and going fishing. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe. I'm trying to grow the channel, seeing what we can do.